All right, I think we're good. Yo, Wiper, yo, how we doing, my dude? Welcome. I need to this fucking chair. I need to like I need to look at the proper the posture. I can't remember the word. All right. What? Why is it opening another window? You dingleberry motherfucker. You're supposed to open on this window. Okay. All right. I need some tunes, so let me put my tunes on. And then I'm gonna charge this other thing here. Cool. And then charge this mouse. Oh, this is the wrong way. Okay. Okay. I need some tunes, right? Right. Give me some tunes. Let's get some tunes. Papa needs his tunes. All right. Let's go. Okay. Let's get started with this. Does it work? Come on. There we go. Let's go. So why do we have a red fucking border on that fucker, bro? Yeah, where is this red border is coming from? Is it the divider? Okay, it's the divider. I'm like, what? There's only one container there, so why would it look like that? Right? Right. I'm glad you agree. Bruh. Okay. So, okay. This, and this. All right, let's go over here. It's a line and then a subscription thing. I like it. Okay. Am I muted? I'm not muted, right? Okay, I'm not muted. Cool. All right. So this needs a little bit of a space there, but what's up with the... Okay, there we go. Now this makes more sense. Actually, I'm just gonna get rid of this. Okay, what happens if I just remove the gap? Oh, okay, yeah, that's what it does. Yeah, we kind of need that. Okay. So does this like a max height or some shit that I'm not seeing? Where the fuck is this coming from? Overflow hidden. I don't know where the fuck it is coming from, yeah? Okay, this is looking much better. I just need to put something here. I don't know what it is. Okay. Every time I restart this, it goes back to fucking light. Hmm. Okay, so we put it inside the error boundary and it goes right in this thing here. And then any page that we are serving, we use dashboard container to kind of do this. Okay. Okay. Can I do like 0.3? All right, it does work, so it should be good. Okay, so components, and I'm gonna do here button, and then inside the button we have danger, and then primary and secondary. I'm gonna turn this into a new button for me. Holy shit, it looks so fucked up. Yeah. Although I like the way it looks in this dark background, so yeah, let's get to that. Okay, Jesus, I can better look at this shit. Okay. Now, yeah, I need that button, pay now button. You are going to over here. Contained button. So I'm gonna take this contained button and put it over here to, I don't know what the fuck this is supposed to be. Export function contained button. Okay. So when I look at this shit, contained, if I could spell, it would be nice. Bro. I also need, okay, let's see, contained button, pay now. I need them to look the same. Yeah, there you go. See this one here, children. Okay, we need children. Okay, children. We don't really need this thing here. And I'm gonna do here rest. And we're gonna do rest. We don't need title anymore. Icon, back icon, yeah, we don't need that. Okay. And I want the gap to be just 2, so it should be good. Let's see. This one shouldn't have been broken down, but why is this one breaking down? Is there minimum width size 10? Okay. I don't see a width overriding it or anything like that. So color, okay, what the fuck? Motherfucker. This should work, right? We don't really need like margin. We don't need margin left here, I think. There you go, it should be perfectly fine. Hold on guys, I have an email from somewhere, some gosh to read this fucker. You got to be fucking kidding me. Oh shit, he opened the door. Guys, give me 1 sec. I gotta close the door. My head is going nuts. All right, I got some tea. The big boy is inside. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna mark this as unread so I can attend to it later. Yeah. So we good. You know what I'm saying? We good. What the fuck am I listening to, bro? Hold on. All right, let's go over here. Okay. Honestly, I'm liking this quite a lot. And yeah, I kind of want to turn this thing into its own component, you know? Because I think it makes sense to do that. Because right now, the plain details, okay, we can get rid of this. We're good to go on that. Yeah, we're not gonna have that. Background color is okay. I think for the colors, there's like a description here called active. Semantic tokens. Okay, where is my theme file? I kind of want to test this out. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I kind of want to see if it will. Okay, just want to say yellow here, and then border equals 2 pixels solid blue. Let me see if it is gonna take effect in any way. I know I've seen something like a customized, like a custom component thing. What's up, man? Finally, so good to see you back, dude. Welcome back. Yeah, I know. I've been dealing with stuff. You know what I'm saying? Had some work to do. How have you been, man, dude? How is the project going? Your project? Holy shit, bro! Yo, my man. Thanks for the sub, dude. I appreciate it, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, dude. I appreciate it. So, what happened with your project? You made a lot of changes, like right about when I kind of like had to deal with some stuff. You, I remember like you doing a new website, or yeah, you did a new website. I even looked at it. Did you launch it? Like, what happened? I was hoping you could help me with something. It's a small bug I'm facing at the moment. Yeah, tell me about it, man. I mean, I'll take a stab at it if I can. The website is live. Hell yeah, man. What was the URL? Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna launch Discord. If it breaks the computer, fuck, I might have to restart it. I don't trust Discord anymore. It's giving me more problems than solutions. Hold on. When you load... this is interesting. Okay. If you reload, what happens? Okay, they just appear on the corners. Cool. Okay. I guess I have to reload. It doesn't like resize automatically. Okay. Okay, so you have some kind of... this is ad blocker is getting it because it's trying to track my location and shit for I guess telemetry. Cool. So like you use these to jump up and down. Cool. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is neat, my dude. No, this is neat. Okay. Soft mirror mechanics, demo request. Okay. And then this takes you to the top. Nice and smooth. I still need to work on the submit button. Okay, what exactly is happening here? Is this broken? Like, what's happening here? So the Okay, yeah, it showed up right now, yeah. So, okay, I'm trying to understand here. Request demo is not the same as contacting, right? Is that the case? Or it submits to the same endpoint under the hood? It's not? Okay. So I think one thing I want to mention here, the contact here feels kind of counterproductive by missing the message. Like there should be a section here for the message because otherwise you are delaying communication, right? I want to remember why I reached out to you the first time. If it is not available here, like I should be able to type it and say, yeah, my name is Justin, this is my email, and I'm reaching out to you regarding this particular thing here, or that, or this, or whatever it is, and then send it, right? So when you reply back, I have something that I can reference. I might not be able to remember it, you know? Yeah, I think a messaging, like an actual field for a message would be immensely helpful there. Aside from that, the website looks nice and cool. Yeah, it works good. It renders well on mobile. So yeah, cool, dude. Yeah. I like these like blue things like sliding down. It's amazing. Yeah, it definitely looks sleek. Yeah. What would be even better if this was something like moving this thing here, like I don't remember the name of the animation. Like you can do it with the I mean, I know, like, Jesus. Examples. Holy shit. This is a little too much, but holy shit. Yeah, like if that green thing actually like moved a little bit, this one here like is animated, you know? Like I think it would be sick. But I don't know how much work it would take. I'm just thinking it like from in my imagination, right? Oh my god, what the That's definitely trippy. This is also fucking trippy. Good thing I'm not high. This shit is insane, man. Ooh. Whoa. Holy shit. Do they kiss? No? Ah, what's the point? Hell yeah, horse! Get going! Like, run, horse, come run! Ah, shit, man. God damn. Jesus. This is kind of nuts. Like, this is really neat. Like, I'm impressed. I'm saying it like in an impressed way. Breaking Bad! No? Wow, this is nuts. So much good stuff there. All right. Well, you get the point. So, good job, man. Yeah, this is definitely like presentable. Nice, sweet, precise. So the thing I need help is on my server backend. That's happening is that the data collected from the text input box is being stored in a session chat JSON file and it's encrypted, and I'm able to send that to an array, but I'm unable to read the segmented file using my backend. What language is your backend in? Are you using Python or JavaScript or another language? Which will enable me to put different conditions, such as if the praise wake up is in the JSON file data, then it will display a message saying welcome home, sir. So what I'm understanding is, how are you having problems reading a JSON file? It's pretty straightforward with Python. Also, why aren't you using a database for the session, like chat history? Like, you should log those things to a database so you can like do further training on it, right? My backend is written in JavaScript, and I'm using Secure Store as the storage, which is compatible with React Native Expo. I see. Yeah, I don't know how to read a file in JavaScript like that, but if it is backend, I'm guessing you are using Node. Actually, no. In React Native, it works differently. File equals read file. Okay. Okay. Do you happen to have this library at all? Like, or something like, equivalent to this? Okay, what package are you using? Like, gotcha. Okay, download resumable file. Let's create download resumable. And then file system. Okay, that's document directory. And then the callback. Okay. Async storage, set item, pause, downloads, JSON, stringify, savable. What the fuck is going on here? So I think like this is the one you're supposed to use. I just don't understand how you are just supposed to open and read a file. If it isn't JavaScript, that might be counterproductive, because like I haven't done any file work with JavaScript directly, like reading a file, opening up and reading a file, aside from the ones that like I get through forms. on a browser, but like, that's not the case in your situation. So I'm trying to see how you read a file in the thing. Expo file system, and then the file system, okay. How do you open a file? Oh, that shit, there you go. I think it's got to be like one of these. I think this is the one that you're gonna use if you are like constrained with Expo. And it shows you like how to install it in this page. Look, I'll share this with you. There you go. This is the Expo file system. So we are looking at the same thing apparently. I'm just trying to understand how you really read a string, read directory async, upload async. Okay, like so this file URI and options. You should be able to get it with this, no? I'm guessing this is like still a promise. Yeah, it's a promise. And then you can parse it with JSON. This should work. Yeah, this should work. Like specifically this here seems like I would just try this. Like I would go with the documentation that they have. I think like that would be your best bet. These are types, enums, permissions. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this is pretty straightforward. So you read it, and then whatever the response from the file, you just parse it to JSON, since it's or whatever format that you are expecting. But I'm guessing it's JSON. Also, I am relatively certain that you would have. There is like a library that you can use for database. I think that will be even better for you, because using a file for that would be a little. I think that's like a bad foundation for that kind of, for that kind of process that you have. I think what I'll try to do is make a JSON file which stores data collected using file system, and I will just open the file in my backend and check for condition. That could work. Again, like, it depends on like your specific use case, but since you are using React Native, yeah, but it's like read as string, right? Like, so you read it into whatever it is that, like, into your variable as a string, and then you parse it to whatever format that you expect it to be. If it is JSON, parse it as JSON. Thing is, it's limited to session data, so if user logs out of closes app, the data goes away. I see. Yeah, that's kind of what I was saying. Like, you would have like a user session and then store user data assigned to a user in a database. Otherwise, like, you are just looking at corruption of data loss, or not identifiable data per person. Like, this is disassociated data. You don't want that. Like, if I were you, I would find a way to create an access to a database table that holds your chat history, so you can go from there. You don't require like an account when they start using the app. I remember like they have to sign in, so I'm guessing you have access to their session, and you should be able to store that, like each entry in a table. Like that definitely would be like what I would do. Yeah. Yeah, you should make your data definitely like persistent. What exactly is Expo anyway? I don't know what this is. Like, what's Expo? I remember like using an app called Expo to launch my app, to test my app when I was dealing with React Native. I just never really knew like exactly what is this. Okay, so this is a okay. Okay. TypeScript ready. Cool. File-based routing. Okay, kind of like the Next.js setup. It has a layout. Cool. It has come a long way. Holy shit. Yeah, I remember doing these. View text. Oh my god. Do I still have Android Studio? I think I do. Okay, let's fucking update this fucker. And update this fucker too. Damn, the computer's gonna pop out. Do I have? Okay, let's just relaunch this. So it takes the updates into account. Oh, no, no, no. You launch it here, motherfucker. Okay. Where's my pie chart, motherfucker? There you go. You got this. I was thinking of having session data and then clear data with the help of a counter, or if the user logs out or closes all. That's all what I had in mind to do. Dude, I would like I can definitely confidently say that you should have persistent data modeling. Like you should have a persistent storage option, which is a database. Like why would you ditch all the history of the user? Because you are definitely like in the machine learning AI waters there, and then you need that data so you can actually train your tool to be better, or they can give like responses based off of the history, right? And you will need that. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Bruh. I'm just not showing the screen because I don't know if I have like any data here that that's part of an is like NDA, because I can't you know display something that's not I'm not supposed to display. I'm just trying to be like okay, npx create expo app. So let me go over here. Okay. What's your app name? We're gonna do Expo RN. I'm gonna call this React Native. Let me see if I can just get this running. Wow, it's installing like 7 billion shit in this thing. Jesus. $1,200 packages. Okay, 500 all the issues. Yeah. I see, because I mean, it's just a source of input. It's not like ChatGPT where I need to have the data to find solutions for the time being. It's just a source of input for my voice assistant running on my PC. Yeah, I understand. But what I'm trying to say is, because you are trying to launch it like an actual product, you will definitely need a database setup anyway. So I just might as well get to it right now. Okay, let's see what the hell is this happening here. Okay. How to install the SDK on Ubuntu. Let's go. Let's go. I'm guessing this is Android SDK. If it is like this easy, fuck it, send it. Yes, Papa. Right. Too many tabs. Too many apps. Holy shit. Yeah, fuck it. Oh my god. Computer's gonna catch fire. It's updating the boot. What the fuck are you updating the boot for, you fuckhead? Oh my god, bro. Connect the device or create an emulator. Okay, so where the fuck is... Oh, this is the app. Emulator. How do you start an emulator? No. I don't fucking remember it. This app changed a lot. Build. Make. Navigate. View. Tools. Device manager. I think this is the one. A system image must be selected to continue. Fuck it, download it. 1.1 gig. God damn! Unzipping, oh my god. So am I, baby. God damn it. So this is all right, starting. So I'm just gonna give it some time. But while it does its thing, there is copy URL. I kind of want to see what the hell this is about. Shit, it seems like this worked. That's fucking crazy. Go to settings, languages, frameworks, Android SDK. From this, you get platforms tab, select the latest Android version, API level. Okay, it's installed and 13 installed. Okay, so we're good. Oh, Android emulator. I was supposed to make sure. Android emulator. What the fuck? Android SDK, SDK tools, Android emulator. Okay, it's installed. Install an SDK tools 34, installed. Okay. Android SDK location. It's good, it's good. Okay, so I'm supposed to installing Expo. Okay. Holy shit, something is happening. My God. Okay, it looks like we are almost in business. This is kind of crazy. Open up app.js to run. This is the developer menu. It gives you, okay, continue. Can you just fuck off? Okay. Reload. Oh my God. What am I looking at here? App.js. Oh, there you go. Hello world. Oh, there you go. Bro. Yeah. Cool, nice, fast. Do you want to see my chat interface? Yeah, show me like a screenshot if you have it. Google Play Protect is turned on. Oh, so am I. Okay. So how do you tell like what the app name is? Okay. Bruh. Yeah, I'm gonna go take a piss and I'll be back. So give me a sec. I'm also gonna like refresh my tea because I want more tea. Okay. Let's sit down and then, well, it was relatively easy to get started. So yeah, this is like pretty good. I like that, like, didn't take me more than a few minutes, you know. And I'm guessing you can initialize this in like TypeScript. So if I do, okay, and then rm, rf, export, kill it, and then we're gonna do npx create. I think you can just do this, ts. TypeScript. Just give me some time. I will show you my chat interface. Yeah, no rush, my dude. Help. So what I don't understand, okay, expo npx expo TypeScript, like it's use TypeScript, motherfucker. Expo rn, what the fuck did I name it? Yeah, expo rn, okay. I can't. Can you like, okay. Bundling, okay. So it is, oh, yeah, it's still building, okay. Cool. Now it says TSX. There you go. Now that TypeScript worked, which is good. Okay. Baby, I like this a lot. Ooh, supported by WebStorm. Fuck off. Still, you a dingleberry motherfucker, dude. Hell yeah. All right, so TypeScript works, which is cool. There you go. Anyway, I'm gonna shut this off. Okay. I can't just fucking exit. So this is it, like it power. Like power on, off. What does that mean? What's the fucking state? Nah. Anyway. All right, so that's it. It looks honestly straightforward enough. Definitely, I would definitely utilize it, but I wouldn't be able to test it on a Mac because the most like newest Mac I have is like fucking over 10 years old, like literally. I'm gonna be able to like launch it. Okay, so let me get back to my shit. I'm gonna say here docker compose. All right, key. I'm gonna close everything from here to the right. Thank you, and then I'm gonna come back here. Alrighty, big boy. Me. Okay. Plan details. Started on this and that. And then gotta fix this fucker. So what's the color of this fucker when it becomes... Stays the same? This is fucked up! I don't like it. Okay. Shit, what was I looking at? I was looking at started on. All right, so we're gonna go back to my user subscription here, and then, oh my God, payment block. So yeah, this one right here. This needs to be, let's call this key constant subscription detail. Okay. Title and description. Okay, this is a string and string. Okay. So this will be title. And then description. Subscription. Fuck. Okay, subscription detail, and then in the payment block here, subscription detail, new, I would say title equals started on. Okay, and description. This one, for example, just for the sake of it. And then I'm gonna take this out and then go over here. It's defined multiple times. Get the fuck out of here. Where the fuck is it defined? Okay, it's fixed now. Come on. Okay. Started on. Okay. Me like it. Font weight 400, display block. Okay, so let's go font weight 400. Okay, and color. Okay. Text soft. I think this motherfucker has something similar. Guess this is it. Oh shit, I looked at the wrong fucking thing. 400 block color is this, okay. The other one here. Is it like a fucking... What's the fucking color in this bitch? Is it? Imagine your company is paying tens of thousands of dollars for a work order system. You discover that the location model, the most important model of a work order system, has address 1, address 2 backwards. I think I give up on most corners. Bro. Bro. That's rough, my dude. That sounds painful. And you go to support, and then they try to put it in. They are ticketing to an engineering team, and I'm thinking, bro, this is one in a series of obvious egregious errors. They have lost the right to call themselves engineers. So most of the time when errors like that happen, it's because it's like most common with like outsourcing. You hire someone from India, Pakistan, or Philippines, or etc. And then what happens is, somebody gets assigned to take care of that particular thing, task, and then that person, the manager, assigns that task to some of those people, and then most of the time they only look at, is it working? Yeah, it is. Okay, good to go. No one like goes underneath and looks at a PR and then PR review and whatnot. Most of the time it's like presentational, right? Like they don't look at code quality, code structure, architecture, design system, or any of that. It's just no, they do test, but it's just like a visual manual test. They don't look into the code. Like, for example, I did hire someone very recently, right, within the past 2 weeks on Upwork. The person created something I wanted, visually pretty much identical to what I wanted. However, like I kept having to ask him to change the code because he's like, yeah, but it works. I'm like, it does, but I'm not going to be able to reuse this shit in the way that you coded it. Right? It just doesn't make sense. I'm looking for something to save me time that I can reuse as a reusable component. I don't want to have to like keep hiring you every 2 weeks. Yeah, they're testing it visually. They're not looking at the code. They're not, like you wrote this code in the absolute most horrific way. Get the fuck out of here. Like fix this shit or I'm not paying you. They're not doing that. And that's a problem. Do I have to relaunch the fucking browser? Like what CSS used? I don't. This isn't a new bug in new system. This has been out for years. Very big companies on the platform. Wow, that's what happens. It makes me wonder why I bother to do my job. Well, it's because, like you don't want it coming back around you. This is like one of the things that the engineers or inexperienced engineers don't really understand. They think that, right, like they think that you made it work, you made it okay, it looks as expected, like you shipped it, it's not going to come back around. But when you're in like a salaried position or you are going to the same place every day for work, it will come back at you. It will come back at you. So what's going to happen is like, oh, there is a problem here now all of a sudden. Who shipped this code? Whose code was this? Oh, it's Justin's. Justin's, come over here. What did you do here? Right? Now you end up having to explain yourself. One of the reasons I told my boss was we don't stop at works. Yeah, but okay, that's the thing. Like most of the time, like unless you get lucky, most of the time the boss doesn't give a fuck because they are more like concerned about the deadline and deliveries and like being able to sell, right? Like because they don't have an understanding. That's like one of the reasons that you would want your CTO or project managers and whatnot to have a proper understanding of like how what development life cycle is and how it works and how you can avoid repeated work, right? Like you don't want to be fixing the same bug every other week. So you do it once, you write unit tests, you properly like address all the issues, you cover your bases, and then you put it up for PR and the other engineers look at it. It's not foolproof, but it reduces the repeatedness of the issue at least to a certain degree. But if your boss has no understanding of like how development works, what programming is, and whatnot, they're not gonna be thinking it like that. They're not gonna be like, oh, they should write good quality code that like that's future proof, that's maintainable, that's readable, that's easy to understand, that's documented. They're not thinking of that. That's one of the reasons I didn't create my own web agency because, it became a chore having to explain these kind of things to every single potential client or every client because they're like, yeah, I don't care. I just want it to work. I was talking to a lawyer in Los Angeles on Wilshire, and they were like, all right, I want this 5 pages and I want a contact us page and like, I wanted to do this, do that. So I was trying to like explain how a form worked that they needed to get like a, emailing system and whatnot. They're like, we don't want to deal with it. We don't care. We just want it to work. Like this is what I kept hearing every single time. I went down the agency path and ended up firing any dev I ever hired. I have a problem emphasizing, I guess. That's why, like, there's a difference between paying someone, like $30 an hour versus $80 an hour. Anybody can request, $80, $100 an hour, but not every one of them deserves that money. That's why you're like, all right, show me what you can do, right? Like, I'll give them a test project. And most of the time, I don't even do like live coding because you can't test somebody on their code quality that, like, in an extensive way, like how they're thinking, how they're creating, like, future proofing or writing quality code and things like that. Like, most of the time, like, it's just algo bros creating like algorithms or whatnot, like, or pattern resolution and shit like this. Yeah, they are able to understand it, but like, it's not coding all about. That's not what it's all about. Give them like a take-home challenge. All right, come back at me with like what your solution to this is, so you can see like if they have understanding of like design patterns, if they have understanding of architecture, if they are understanding of like future proofing, readability, and whatnot. Right? They're thinking a lot of other things that comes into play there. I don't give a fuck about their portfolios or their personal websites. No, I want you to write a specific code doing a specific thing that I'm describing. And I want you to write unit tests as well. I want to see how you think, right? That's like the most important part there. Anybody can reverse a fucking like Python list. I don't care about that, right? Anyways, I'm gonna take a piss and I'll be back. My cat went up to the bed and then he's just sleeping by my pillow. My boy. Kate. What the hell, man? Just walking in here like a boobies. All right. So there is a padding here and there is no padding over there. I don't like that it is not aligned properly. Why is it so pushed out? What the hell? There you go. It's aligned and then cool. I have two buttons here that I don't fucking like. I don't know. What the fuck is this? Like color active. I don't think I've seen that. Is that a defined? No, I think that's the color directly on the fucking button, right? Right. Button grinds. Colors. Hmm. I'm gonna reload this because I can't fucking see this shit. Hmm. White Alpha 200. Where the fuck is it coming from? Okay, there we go. So that's, I don't know where the fuck is this coming from though. All right, Shit is simplified. I like it. So what I need here is this motherfucker needs to be like a little closer. It's so bungled up over there. So auto renew. Where? So we have two grid items that just kind of makes it look like that. What happens if I go mobile here? This goes to the next line, auto renew, yabbity. Yeah, we don't really care for this, honestly. I don't really want auto renew thing over there. You know, I want that badge over there, so let me get that badge over there. Damn, several errors up in this bitch. What is it though? Oh, status text. Okay, baby, okay. You don't have to worry about it. God damn. You fucking... Okay. I like this. Why is this still... Oh, I didn't delete it. I didn't delete it, that's why. Also, this is gone, so I think we don't need this. Cool. Hold on. Anything that we're missing there? No. Delete. Cool. Clean up. Okay. I think the only thing I gotta do here is like get rid of this auto renew shit. So let's go to the grid item over here, the box, and then we have this switch. We don't really need this, so fuck it. Okay. Okay, cool. Looking good. I'm gonna come down here and then remove this fucker because it is I don't like it. Alrighty. So this is a grid, okay. Yeah. This music is fucking killing my mood, bro. What the fuck am I supposed to listen to up in this bitch? What is this song? No. Let's give this a go, see how it feels. Fuck, what's the detail here on the subscription? Is it started at? Okay. Okay. And then price. Let's get the motherfucking price here. Blah, blah, blah. Got to be fucking kidding me. Ah, it's fucking. This should work. Come on, don't break my heart. Bruh. Fucking hell. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, you guys. I need another. What is the difference between sub and sup? Oh, sup is on top, sub is on the bottom. Okay, okay. I think I know. I think I should have known this difference. My daddy showed it to me several times. Fucking hell. All right, same shit. Okay. And then we need recurrence type. Is it E? Recurrence type text. Bruh. Okay. And what's the next item here? Payment provider. Okay, so now we just gotta have payment provider. Payment provider, and what do you call it? Okay, I'm not reading that. Don't get me banned. Motherfucker, bro. Okay, so this is it. Fucking nice and clean. I do like it. Okay. Just reload it, you fuckhead. It works. Oh, it's you are Indian? Yeah, I mean, I don't think I would really still feel comfortable, you know, saying it. Okay, so now the next one here, like instead of saying, like, I'm gonna say here, like instead of saying next payment, it's gonna be services. Right, right. I'm glad you agree. Me, 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 me. Here, $5.99. Oh my god! Yeah, this is gonna be included. Hold on, what did I fucking name this shit? What's included? Okay. What's included? And each one is gonna be a service item thingy like this. And I think it can still be like, what the fuck is this? It's a string, you fuckhead. Oh, right. I gotta do the time thingy that I did over here, which is actually good point. I'm glad you caught that. I'm patting myself on the back for this one. You got a problem with that? There you go. This is good. Looks good. Okay, let's toggle this motherfucker. Okay, this color doesn't match this color. No. Does it match the fucking color? Color. It does match it. It does match it. What about the fucking font family and weight? 400 and that's it. Which is there. And the font size is 14 pixels. Okay. Font size. I don't see no motherfucking font size up in this bitch. Font size is 0.0785 rem. Jesus Christ. Okay. Cool. So, okay, what about the space here? There's too much space over here. This is okay. No, what the fuck are you doing? Sometimes, bro, this motherfucker over here. Okay, let's see what the fucking padding here is. Card spacer Y. What the fuck is that? Okay, padding Y 0.75. Okay. 125. Okay, there we go. Oh shit, I don't like that it's not connecting. Why the fuck isn't it connecting? Border color is border color. What the fuck is... Color mode value. Come on, work with me, Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, so this is coming out pretty good. I like it, but I gotta tell you something, big boy. I don't like that fucking divider, the border not really reaching. Or am I supposed to like use it for, put it for this? I'm just gonna reload it. Yeah, this is not... What? Pretty sure like it has a thing with the, I think the date that we have. I think the second one, the start of that date. Oh shit. Yeah, I didn't like that at all. Okay, there we go. I don't want to copy paste this shit because it should be like... I'm gonna do here constant grid props. Okay. And we're gonna just take this. Okay. What? We have like a fucking problem there with this declaration? No, right? Oh yeah, this is my bad. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's weird that the editor didn't catch that. So the border color on this fucker is still not. Okay, still reloading. Shit, it's fucking 520. What the fuck? Bro, it can't be fucking possible taking that long. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go take a piss while it does its thing. A sec. Oh, big boy. That's my boy. Fucking timed out by the time it fucking compiled. This fucking piece of shit. Next.js. Jesus Christ. Bruh. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here, you got a pen and paper? All right, let's see where this is going here. Stop drawing my attention. Bruh. So these two are causing issues. So now these connect. There is a fucking reference to a fucking border color. Okay, there we go. So that should kind of do our thing. And yeah, again, this is something that I need to fucking turn into. God damn it. There we go. Yeah, this is good. So what's included? Now I just present each item there. Okay, what's included? That's the headline, and then these are the items. So instead of text, I'm gonna have to display something here, right? I got an email, yay! We're in New York. Oh, get the fuck out of here. You have the wrong person. Okay. Okay, so we don't really fucking need this. All right, now let's test this out first. Okay. Cancel subscription. Okay, let's get rid of that fucker first. I think we don't really need to have that. All right. So we have the tag and then see your things below. And I'm just going to comment this the fuck out. Okay. There you go. Okay. Cool. There's a little bit of need space underneath that fucker where it says subscription. Okay, I'm gonna say here margin top equals, let's say like 5. There you go. Not bad. Me like it. So if I go mobile, looks pretty good. Okay, this needs to be like full. It looks like it is coming from. Okay. There we go. All right. Yeah, so this emptiness here, where is it coming from? It should be coming from here, right? Voila! Big boy! There we go. Okay, now it needs a little bit of a thing there. Okay. Now we go back here to the dashboard container. Make it like, let's try a 5. Pretty reasonable. Righto? Righto. Me. Should still work the same. Cool. And then we go back. Perfect. I like it. The only thing that's bothering me is this here doesn't align with this motherfucker's position here. But I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. All right. I kind of want to like turn this into a list. Like genuinely, I just want this thing to be a fucking list. Okay, let me see if I can turn it into a list. I think that would be quite helpful. So let me go ahead and create new TypeScript file. I'm gonna call it there. List.tsx. Fuck it, edit. Okay. Import list from Chakra UI, React. Okay. We're gonna do this as Chakra list. Okay, export default function list children. I'm gonna call here list props. Okay, yeah, import this. Okay, return Chakra list children. Just for the sake of doing the thing here. Oh my god. Okay. So now I'm gonna have to come down here and then look at this list here. How our Chakra Daddy handles the list. Oh my god, it's so fucked up. Okay, list and yeah, let's test it out here first. Yeah. Okay, just import it, you fuckhead. Bruh. Okay, so this should work. So what the fuck is your deal? Am I doing this wrong? Duplicate identifier children. What? This doesn't make any motherfucking sense. Am I tripping you? I can't be tripping, right? That's not me. I don't trip. No tripping over here. Now, what the fuck? I can start with this and I'm gonna go to the components index and then list column. Yeah, I'm trying to like order these things by, you know, alphabetically so I can locate them easier. But in that case, HI, it needs to be here, alerts. Oh shit, no. CEFLF icon. HI, okay, still there. LLLNTSSU error message from alerts. This is kind of like a fucking problem there. Okay. So we're gonna come down to here and I'm gonna say, right here. How do I pass it as a link properly? Like when I just want to do like, you know, this should work, right? I think. Okay, there you go. There you go. I like it. So this is where it comes to the thing. So the fraction, I need to dynamically calculate it by the length. Okay, children, and I'm gonna say here direction Direction. That makes it kind of difficult now. Yeah. Yeah, I think I can just be more strict. Direction equals. I'm just gonna say here row. Okay, direction. We're gonna do row or column. Okay, so I'm gonna do here const, and then I'm gonna say here grid props equals. Okay. And this would be rest again, so we could pass. And then this would be just like that. Coolio. So we can pass it, right? Right. And then I'm gonna say here, template columns equals, we're gonna say here if direction is row. Okay. Then we're gonna just say 1FR. Else it is the children.length. How do I do this? Okay, children.length fr. I do not know if this is gonna work or not, but fuck it, I'm gonna try. Shorthand property assignments are valid only in this structuring. Ah. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing, Justin? And nobody is warning me. Okay, so it does work. And I'm gonna do this thing here. What the fuck? I don't know who you are, motherfucker. So let's go over here. So if I do say now, direction equals, and if I say column, they should go next to each other. Yeah, why isn't it doing that? Shit, where the fuck is the list now? Let's see what the fuck is going on here. Oh my god! What are we looking at? Use list styles returned is undefined. I forgot to wrap components in list. Doesn't make any motherfucking sense. This doesn't make sense. What? Hmm. This doesn't make any sense. Like, what? Is it... Hold on. I kind of want to see like if it is actually getting anything. So it does get the children, okay. Is it the fucking... Is it this? This is bitching? It shouldn't be that, right? looks like it's not the case. What the fuck is going on? I'm not sure like what exactly I'm doing wrong here because so console log is going through there and I'm rendering it over here. Okay, now let me just say like let me just see if it is this. I just want to see if it is. It's the fucking map. I don't understand. Like this just doesn't make any sense. Like is it like this fucker? Because of the no, it's not to do with the import because I used it with the import being there, but just fuck it. Let's just do that one more time. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. This just doesn't make any sense to me. I'm really confused. Guys, hold on. I'm going to take a call. Give me a second. I'm talking when I am muted because it's already 6 o'clock. So I'm just gonna go feed my cat and then put my food in the oven, and then I'll be back, and we're gonna continue. Coco, you hungry, Coco? You hungry, baby? Coco is hungry. Cuckoo's hungry. Boy. Whew, okay. The big boy is fed, and now I turn on the oven, which should be heated up in a couple of minutes, and then I can eat my food. This is some bullshit. Bullshit, I'm telling you. Okay. Let's... I just don't understand, bro. Like, why is this... So it's because, like, this is a... Because it's a list, it just doesn't like it. That's the fucking... Yeah, that's the fucking thing there. That's kind of crazy. So it's all happening because of this. Yeah. No fucking way. How is it different? I don't understand. This thing here is the same as this thing, bro. Am I tripping on this fucker? Immediately the error fucking comes back. The error message is not helping in any way whatsoever. This is literally working on this grid item. Okay, and then This is not a fucking. Isn't this a fucking list? This is a list. Why is it an object, but it's not a fucking list? Have you ever tried AI code assist? No, fuck the AI code assist. I hate those fucking things. They're so suboptimal. I had to write in VB today. It's good for syntax questions. What's VB? I fucking forget what that is. Visual Basic AI, I keep forgetting that relevant like 20, it was around 20 years ago. It's not being you just type what I type into Google into Chat GPT. Yeah, it's definitely like I can see that it's helping here and there, but so far I haven't come across a problem where I couldn't just get an answer just by Googling. People, I think you can use it to auto build stuff. It's not a good tool for that. I don't know how much of it's just machine learning and Stack Overflow. I'm guessing like a big chunk of it. I see that people are not really fucking typing on. They're not posting questions and answers that much anymore on Stack Overflow. Sure, answering questions you have the people asking, but the app is make it clear it's an SEO tool. I don't know about that. This is also a fucking okay. I don't. This is just really weird and throwing me off like big time. I don't get this shit, man. Like, it's the same thing and it's actually returning a list of items, and it's just really, really odd. This is just really odd. Like, it doesn't make any motherfucking sense. What am I doing wrong here? Like, it'll assigns the type, like react.jsx.element. Yeah, that's exactly what we want to do. But when I try to print this fucker, in either way, it just complains. But if I remove that thing, it comes back as normal. This just doesn't make no sense whatsoever. I guess I'm just gonna have to fucking let it go. It's not working. I'm gonna check on the oven. Give me a sec. All right, so I'm back and my food is cooking and 18. So I gotta eat in like 20 in 10 minutes. So it's gonna be about 6:30. I should be going in. Okay, let me turn off this thing because I know like it's using a lot of resources out there. Just out of curiosity. Just out of curiosity, I want to test it out. Oh shit, hold on. I didn't actually print it in. Children. Yeah, I do whatever the fuck I want. Just want to see like if there's anything to do. Yeah, it's same shit. Maybe it's a fucking grid thing here. Hold on. I know it has nothing to do with that, but still. Fucking broke the whole thing. Yeah, it's broken. I want to see if there's like another. Just out of curiosity, I'm gonna test this out. I know it's not gonna make any fucking difference, but fuck it. Yeah, I guess I gotta do it another time. Yeah, it just doesn't make any sense, like, what it is doing here. I'll have to revisit it. Oh my fucking god. Are you... This is so fucking helpful, right? The fucking error messages. I knew it wasn't something like written. Come on, you fuckhead. There you go. Oh my god. Each child needs a unique key item. Oh my god. What the hell? So anyhow, guys, hold on, let me check on my foot real quick. But I was fixing a problem that was a problem somewhere else. God damn it! Alright, it's gonna be ready in just a few minutes. So what I'll do is I'm gonna call it the day. And then I'm just gonna be, utilizing this thing a bit further after I eat, but I don't want to stay on the line while I'm trying to eat and whatnot. So I'll continue on this thing tomorrow. And I'm gonna do as much as I can today after eating. But regardless, I will see you all tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And have a good night, everybody.